Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a classic Punjabi dish, butter chicken. This creamy and flavorful dish is loved all over the world, and today I'm going to show you how to make it Punjabi style, with a few of my own twists. So, let's get started. Ingredients for the marinade: 500 g boneless chicken, 1/2 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste for the gravy, 3 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 onion, chopped 2, 3 tomatoes, chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, half a teaspoon dried fenugreek leaf, salt to taste, 1/2 cup green coriander leaves. For garnishing instructions: Step 1. Marinate the chicken in a large bowl. Mix together the yogurt, ginger paste, garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. Add in the chicken and mix well until the chicken is coated evenly. Cover the bowl with cling wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour or overnight. Step 2. Cook the chicken. Heat a pan on medium-high heat and add in the oil. Once hot, add in the marinated chicken and cook until it's golden brown and cooked through. Remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside. Step 3. Make the gravy in the same pan. Add in the butter and let it melt. Once melted, add in the chopped onions and cook until they're translucent. Then add in the ginger paste and garlic paste, and cook until fragrant. Add in the chopped tomatoes, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder, and salt. Mix well and cook until the tomatoes are soft and the mixture is well combined. Step 4. Blend the gravy. Remove the pan from heat and let it cool slightly. Once cooled, blend the gravy until it's smooth and creamy. Then, pour the gravy back into the pan and place it on medium heat. Step 5. Add the chicken to the gravy. Add in the cooked chicken to the gravy and mix well. Let it simmer for 5-10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add in the cream and dried fenugreek leaves, and mix well. Let it simmer for another 2-3 minutes until the gravy thickens. Step 6. Garnish and serve. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve hot with naan or rice. And there you have it, delicious Punjabi style butter chicken. Conclusion: I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. We see you in the next video.